Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and has pretty much answered our question in regards to, and I say that our question, assuming you've watched the past couple of videos. If you haven't, the thing that I kind of proposed is, hey, this has been a great move, and I realize I'm stating the obvious, but the question was, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is that just some sort of dead cat bounce within this current, bearish downtrend? And we got our answer today. This was simply just a dead cat bounce. Now, before we start throwing stones, how can I say that this was a dead cat bounce? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, are going to make progress, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming I kind of state the obvious and I'm insulting your intelligence when I say that. Well, yeah, of course, price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. That would be a contradiction. Well, look at where the price was before the bounce happened. It was down in this area of the chart. You look at where the price closed today, down at that point, and again, not to insult your intelligence, but that is literally right back inside of the channel before all this stuff started. Now, am I saying that another nice move can never ever happen? I'm not saying that. Maybe another way to look at this other than saying a dead cat bounce would be, back to the drawing board. Because yeah, the bulls had constructed a good solid bounce, but as far as, maintaining it, everything's falling apart and the price is right back to where it started. But yeah, certainly the bulls can put together another nice move like that. I'm just saying, as far as this bounce was concerned, there was no true power behind it. That was indeed a dead cat bounce. So that brings about the first update here, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So if another bounce is going to get started, that first key level that needs to be broken up above, once again, is $1.40, and this has been a resistance in the past. So keep an eye on that. That'll be the initial spark that will need to be generated in order to, create some more momentum in the downside. As far as must-hold levels of support, I would definitely call that $1.20. That's the, little double bottom point back here that's held. So while I'm not saying the price is headed down to $1.20, if it does actually go down there, then yeah, that's certainly a level that you would want to see hold, because if it doesn't, that would imply that the price is now putting in even deeper lows that haven't been seen for quite a while. So we'll see if the bulls can get something new to start, but like I said, back to the drawing board. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.